What up? How's it going? Oh, my chart's not showing. What about now? Boom. What up? How's it going, Jesse? Can you guys hear me or what? What up, Kelly? What up, Melissa? Thanks, Melissa. Where are you going? Going to bed already? What time is it there? Holy, that's like a million requests. Whatever, let's bang them out. Let's bang them out. Oh, this is working this time. It says it is on my thing. I'm not copyrighted on my last couple lives. I think it's because of Spotify though. I hope they're not copyrighting me on my friend's music. But I researched it. It's not a big deal. I think they just like, if I made any money off it, they just send it to the artist or something. Or I don't know. But it's my two friends anyway, and I have permission, so I'll talk to YouTube about it if that's what it is. Kelly helped me fix my settings on Spotify, so it shouldn't deviate from the playlist anymore. So let's see. What do we got here? Red. Rituals, fart, BTC, Lake Soul. Well, here's Soul. It's my analysis. Up only. I hate it when people say that. It's so deceiving. But yeah, this is the long I dropped. I did a laddered in on this wick, but in the post in the Discord I said you could enter now when I dropped it, and it was like right around here probably. And then you could do like half or a third and then put another third or nothing there, and then the other half or third, last third could go there or whatever. But yeah, it's in profit, so that's cool. And let's do some top down on the oscillators just to get a broad overview. I'll make this bigger because my buddy said I need to zoom in so you guys can see the candles better. So I'll do that. Woo! Look at that wick, man. I hope we fill that wick. I think we will. So this is good. On the 8-hour oscillator, the primed RSI. It's a free indicator by Chart Prime. The candles are getting smaller. See? I'll make it bigger here. The candles, they engulf. They get huge. That's when you know it's going to send, right? When these get small. They get wicky. And they get small. And then full send. Then they don't always get wicky though. So, but if you go down on time frames, you'll see the wicks. That's why I do top down on all these oscillators, to get a clear view of what they're doing, not just what it looks like on one time frame. But smaller candle here, and they turned red, right? And then dump, 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 engulf, engulf, and then now they're getting small. See, small pinkies, medium pinkies, and then little blueies with a big wick upward. So it should, in theory, go upward, but it doesn't have to. It should though. See, sometimes it can just go up a little bit. But anyways, check the 4 hour. Same thing. See, tiny candles, little wickage. Tried to go down. It was like, I don't want to go up, and it was like, too bad. Buying pressure. Bop, bop, bop. Now we're engulfing, engulfing, going up still. It's on the 4 hour. It'll take anywhere from like, I don't know, a day to 3 days, I think. Let's see, when did this start? The 5th, and we're on the 7th. Yeah. That's 2 days right there. And then from this peak, the 3rd to the 5th, yeah, 2 days. So yeah, 1 to 3 days usually on the 4 and the 2 hour ish. 4 hour for sure. But anyway, so it's just doing a pullback, like right here and right here. I did these little pullbacks and then continue, pullback, continue. So we're hoping this is a pullback and continue as well. Same thing, pullback. This indicates we're getting at the end of the pullback. Smaller candles for continuation, just like back here. Small candles. See, these are the wicks that you look for too. And then same here. They were big and they got smaller and reversed. Here, indecision, flip the other way. So they're getting small, so should flip. This, yep, same deal. This, yep, same deal. This is why I added to my long here, and I dropped the fart coin setup that Kelly asked me to take a look at. She wanted me to look at fart coin, so I did, and it looked juicy, just like Soul. So I added to my Soul long. And then I think it was just creeping in profit, so I closed half of what I added to it, took my funds back, and I opened up a small fart coin trade, and I think I got 30% out of it or so far, and I added to it again because I expect it to keep going for a bit. So yeah, let's check the oscillator. It's probably seeing the same stuff. Yeah, see, bear div, but it could be like half played out and failed, or half played out and going for a second bear div, or half played out and just reversing, just for a new go. That's on the 8 hour though, that'll take a while. 4 hour turned up. It's goose heading. Shout out to OC, the indicator god. We got a little goose head action there for a possible continuation, but he likes to wait till you get above the 0 line, which is fine on a swing trade perspective, but on an intraday perspective, that'd be kind of a late entry. But if you held it for longer, it would play out. But you can just go down time frames for to get a better entry. Pull back, hopefully it flips. It's on the 2 hour. Let's see the 2 hour again. Is that past the 0 line? Yeah, see, past the 0 line. Hit the 70. And now it's pulling back. And then hopefully it just brushes this 0 line and continues up. That's what I look for. Then I zoom in to see what's going on. Money flow, see money flow. Curving up. It was higher. And then it kind of bottomed out here. Now it's curving up. Volume's still low because Asia is just getting up. Tapping in right now. Should help. Oh yeah, this is nice too. Check this out. On the 44, I got it set to 44 minutes, basically like a 1 hour or 45 or whatever. But yeah, so it's curving. Same thing on this one that I was talking about on the 2 hour or something. That it hit the 70, and then it pulled back, and then it just brushed the 0 line, just a little sweep of the 0 line, and now it's curving back up for continuation. We hope. Just like when it was like kind of like what it did here. How it like sweeped and then up and then down. Now I'm looking for that here. The little S. Ooh. And then you zoom in to make sure a little more. Same thing, curving up. Your fast indicator, this true 7. This is a very light straight line that goes up, kind of jiggy. It's pointing up too. That's fast indicator, so it's a leading indicator, right? It shows first. Ooh, it just went sideways. But anyways, yeah. So this is kind of curving up, hopefully for a continuation up. Check this. Yeah, we're going up here. So this could curve down for a little pullback or a sweep of the lows, but it could just be a higher low on the oscillator, showing momentum increasing, and sweep the lows. It could, or it could just continue with this RSI. So yeah, that's my SOL analysis, and my Bitcoin analysis. I'll look, but I'm sure it's exactly the same, because they've been mirroring each other for a long time. BTC, USDTP, check out the chat real quick. What up, Gear? Woo! Thanks for popping in, Gear. H-bar? Yeah, bro. If you're gonna stick around, bro, I'll take a H-bar. Yeah, BTC looks like the same thing so far. Check out the 8-hour. Yup. 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 Yeah, BTC is the same as SOL. We can check some levels though too, because I don't just go off the oscillator, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Market dynamics pro. Market dynamics. Boom. Check this out. Oh, I'll turn off this Oracle too, so it's not so busy. I'll turn off 3D trend too, so it's not so busy. Just price action. I don't even have order blocks on. Previous day low, previous day high. So yeah, we're fighting to hold the mid right now. If we can hold this mid and continue up, you look to the previous day high or the point of control, and then if it clears that, like I'll show you with this thing here. So if we hold the mid, and it goes up here, you want it to like break, retest, and then you want it to fight this point of control, break, retest, and then you want it to fight this. Hang on here. And then your next target would be the previous week high. That's a strategy right there. Boom. That's what you want to see. H-bar, I'll check out H-bar quick just in case you're in a hurry. Okay, Gear? And then we'll get back to Kelly's request and I'll check out the chat more here. Oh, Jesse's passing out. Jesse needs sleep. H-bar, USDTP. Ooh, juicy. This looks like fart. And it looks like Bitcoin. And it looks like SOL. When they all look the same, that's a good thing, in my opinion. Okay, let's go to the 4-hour. Could get a little, could get a sweep of the lows. And this wick fell too. Could sweep this previous day low and continue. But if everything else is going, it'll go with it. And that's just one time frame. Yeah, this could just be the pullback right here because it went up. Now it's pulled back. Now it's going to try to continue. It looks good. Put this one. Same thing. And this pullback, these candles are getting smaller, see? Right here. Big one. Big but not as big. And then now medium. That's a good sign. Could be the end of that little pullback. And a higher low on the oscillator, just like price. Higher low. Check out the 45, 44. Oh yeah, juicy, juicy, very juicy. See, tiny candles, flipping blue. Looking for another one of these legs. Boom. Boom. That's what I'd want to see. And then same thing with these levels, pretty much. Oh, where's all the rest of the levels, bro? Whoa, they're a ways away, bro. I hope it goes to previous. What is that, month high? Where's previous week? Alright, let's zoom in. Oh, previous day high and previous week high are same thing because it's Sunday probably. Yeah, they're merged together. So yeah, you really want to claim this. Then next you got this point of control resistance you need to claim at 13,285, and the first level to claim will be the 13,220. And right after that, point of control. Then after that, could be good, but sometimes it tests these London lows, even weekend ones. You never know. But you also got to keep in mind weekend range, eh? Speaking of which, I'll show you that strategy while we're doing this. So every Sunday, hey Alexander G, what up? Mark Dutch, yo, I gotta make you guys mods too if you want, or if you're down. I'll probably just do it. But yeah. Anyways, so this on Sunday you want to mark your weekend high and low, because often if they go for the highs, like Asia Monday tonight right now, if they go for the highs, sometimes they'll go for the lows next, like often. And if they go for the lows first, you can expect them to go for the highs often. Not always, just often. So yeah, I'll show you a free indicator to check out, just to make it easy. Right here. Just I think it's weekend. I think it's by Lux. I don't know. Let's check it out. Weekend Saturday Sunday, right here. Weekend Saturday Sunday by Veronimus. Let's check it out. Boom. So now we look at this. And we'll mark our weekend high and lows. There. There. Oh, I should have left that other chart open. Whatever, there's that. And then let's see how long it takes to load this. We can get a couple. Loading, not loading. Okay. What was the other request? Is that good gear? I think it's gonna go up. That was my thing. So if you want to check out a setup, you could do it like this. If you want to enter now, but your risk might be high. I don't know. Let's see. Put it under the low. Make it bigger. Another good strategy for trailing and for stop losses is to put it under the 2-hour candle. Yeah, that'd be pretty wide. How much time do we have left in this candle? Half an hour? You could probably get away with the bottom of the current candle, because it's almost done printing. Yeah, I'd be okay with that. But what's the risk? 1% on all? That's pretty good. Risk to reward 1 to 2.5 to the first target, and potentially the second target would be juicy, but that's a long shot. But it's possible. 14.28. Let's not get ahead of ourselves though. Yeah, and then you could you'd want to take profit though, and raise your stop loss to break even when it hits 1 to 1. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, right around there. Right around this weekend London low. But sooner the better. 1 to 1. Boom. As soon as you get there, take 25 to 50% profits. Raise your stop loss to break even. You're not donating any money to the market. Protecting your capital. And living to trade another day. And getting paid for your effort and your time. If it reverses. And if it doesn't reverse, the rest of your trade just prints. That's how I do it, gear. Use your own discretion, of course. But that's what I would do. Not financial advice, just what I would do. We'll leave that there so we can check it out later. What are these other requests? Um, 17 minute? Yeah, Kelly, I'm a number freak. I'm like into like manifesting. I'm into like good vibes, universe. And 8 is the number of money and prosperity. So I just put my time frames are so. It's just how many candles there are, right? So it's like, it's not going to ruin my charting if I change the half hour to a 26 minute. 2 plus 6 is 8. It's not going to ruin my charting if I change the 15 minute to the 17 minute. 1 plus 7 is 8. It's not going to. It's not going to throw the market out of whack. So that's what I do. Cheers me up, keeps me happy, keeps me in a positive, prosperous vibe. What's this? What is this? Where's that list of requests you dropped, man? Like, already half a stream, bro. Only did 3 coins. Hey, G, thanks for showing up. I appreciate you guys' support for real. Like, a lot. Luke, what up, Luke? You're here, bro. See, I try to go live all sessions so I can hit up all the bros. Dutch. Where's Kelly's? Just type them again. So much. I'm glad the chat's active. That's dope. Gear, nice. Jesse dropping the gears. Sick, bro. I'm just trying to get through this list, so I'd love to drop the gears though. Okay, virtuals, fart we did. Yeah, we gotta go over fart. That was ballin'. Thanks to Kellephant for asking to take a look at fart coin in the Discord, and we all printed off it. So fart link W, that looks too shady. So we already did. Okay, virtuals, fart link. Fart will be a quick one, so let's just do that. Quick fart. Fart. New to computer stuff, hang on. Fart coin USDTP. Hope this is the one I charted it on. Oh, full take profit, Kellephant. Let's fucking go. That's sick, bro. Good job. Thanks to Kellephant, full TP. We should probably tell people. Like, so they take profit, right? I gotta do this. Can't leave them hanging. STTP. Okay. Nice. Take profit 1, take profit 2, full TP. All within what? What was that? Like an hour and a half, eh? 2 hours? That's a good play. Thanks, Kelly. That's sick. I wish I had a bot to drop this in like all the discords at the same time. I'm pretty quick though. Full TP. Full TP. Oops, forgot to hit it. Full TP. Now, the beach house. Gotta drop it at the beach house. And Tradefly. Because I volunteer at Tradeflies on weekends. Nah, we're bros. And there. That's all it drops. So yeah, that's dope. Full TP. Woo! Let's go. Previous day, previous week high. Let's go. I wish I would have. Oh, see, it changes on Chartin. That's why I double check these with this orb indicator. That stupid yellow thing's in the way. Orb. Or no, not orb. Spaceman BTC. It's a little more defined, if you will. See? It's still up here. Tri-Prime just is set to a weird time zone, so when it does the switch over, it adjusts, and kind of bugs me. So yeah, we could go there. Let's see if that works out, just for fun. But yeah, so now what? Link. Well, I heard. Remember how you were talking about that conference and the pump and stuff? I think USDTP. The conference and that pump. What? T.I. Joe's here? Woo! Magnet chat, bro. I don't. Yeah, I got time. I can drop some magnets, bro. But anyway, so they said these like people that have been trading longer than me and that research and they're like older and stuff. They said last time that Link had the conference pump, it took, I don't know, 37 or 60 some days or something to play out. It was a while. So there's a good chance it could still go, bro. Like it could still finish. And we're kind of expecting a relief bounce. Boom! T.I. Joe. I'm buying a big magnet for when you come from now on, remember? I'm doing that, bro. I'm gonna buy one. Just a fatty magnet to flash every time Joe shows up. Okay, Link. Link's probably the same. Ooh, juicy. Juicy little pump. Kind of scares me, though. Because Monday... You know, like that's the weekend high strat too. Same idea, like how some people call it the like false move Monday. It's also like clearing out the weekend liquidity, right? So that's why when I was saying they'll go for the highs, the weekend highs, and you can expect them to go for the lows. So then other people would call that the Monday fake out, right? You know what I mean? You'll see it play out over time. It's not in my head, I promise. It's not in my head. Okay, let's drop weekend high and low, because we can check on this next time. Tomorrow and the next day, we can check on these and see if they took the weekend highs and lows and stuff. Because that's a strategy, bro. We can trade that. And then previous month mids here. Previous week high is way up here, bro. Juicy. Very juicy. Very juicy. Check the oscillators out, top down it. Sketchy. Oh, clipping on the 4 hour. That's good. See, when you get clipping, boom. Clipping, boom. Clipping, boom. Hopefully. So now let's check out the 2 hour. Oh, that's such a crazy engulfing candle, you guys, man. Like, I feel like I should be opening more longs here. Let's take some of this stuff. Let's take this link. We'll take, oh yeah, I want to post the P&Ls from the live streams in the Discord and flash them. Holy Kelly, this fart coin, 43%, bro. Woo! Printing, taking profit. So long, 15%, taking profit. And late entry on link and H bar, so I'll do quarter or a third position in case we get a pullback. And then I can add to it. If it doesn't, because I'm not psychic, so I don't know if it's going to just continue or if it's going to do a little pullback and sweep the lows or what. So to be safe, let's put in a third or a quarter position size because it's a shady alt. There's link. Now H bar with gear. I trust Gear's judgment. He's solid. He goes hard too, man. He's studying all the time like me. He's definitely a legend in the making. Oh, what's this say? Looks important. JB, that's funny. I can't play that game. But I was gonna say that to you two earlier. But I think you left or the stream finished or something. But I just didn't know if you guys wanted to or not. Juicy. So yeah, I'm in. So I'll show you how I'd ladder this stuff to be safe. Yeah, I know it is very yellow. I wonder if we can change it. I would like that too. Oh, sweet, we can change it. Oh, that's way better, Mark. Good call, bro. Oh, good call. Way better. We'll do it. Stick with my crazy number stuff. We'll do it at 8. Ooh, 10. That was close. One click. 8. Save as default. There. Is that better on your sensitive eyes, Mark? His whole His whole room's just lit up yellow, probably. Sorry, bro. Okay, what else do we got? Link, H bar. See, Kelly, if you. Alright, it's probably good they're in one message. Let's see. Does anyone else have any requests either? W, I don't. We'll look at it if we have time. What time is it? 6:35. Shit, I'm banging these out pretty quick. Virtuals. Yeah, virtuals, and then probably W, even though it's probably shady as fuck. Virtual USDTP. Oh, I should have dropped a setup box on that last one. I was gonna show you how I'd ladder into it. Whatever, I can do it on this one. I'm assuming it looks like the rest. Best case scenario. Wide stop. This is how I'd ladder into it. I'll show you. So I do like a quarter, because it's a alt. It's not like a sol. You know, so probably moves a little more. I don't know, but anyways, just to be safe, I do a quarter. Sometimes I even do an eighth, because I'd rather win and make money than donate to MM, because MM is rich and he doesn't need my donations. I need my money. So yeah, you could do a ladder here. Could do a ladder at previous day low and previous week low, because they might sweep that. And you want to measure these wicks roughly. That's a dirty wick. Maybe even a little longer. See, this risk is crazy on these alts. But keep in mind, man, just because it says 8% or whatever price action here, or 7. No, I'll go 8. Fuck it. You just size differently. You just be responsible. You know? You don't have to do full size, full position, full everything, max leverage. Like, you don't have to do that. Like, that's what they want you to do. They want the donation. So yeah, I could do a quarter here, quarter here, quarter here, quarter here. Average entry would be, at first it would be between, or no, at first it would be between these two. Then it would be halfway between this line, like my dotted line on the screen, and the next red line. So like roughly halfway between there and there would be just a touch above half there. That's where that average entry would be. And then the next red line, halfway, or no, not halfway anymore, unless you double down. Not, you'd have to start with 1/8 if you want to do that, probably. So right here would be like a third of the way down, we'll say about. I just do this roughly. So yeah, around here, 0.8. So let's see what that risk looks like. Then I check my risk like this, if I cared about it. But, okay, let's see. I check it for other people though, because I care about your guys' money more than mine. And I know my system. I know I can trade it. And I know that I'm not giving donations. See, now you got a 4% stop loss on a shady alt. That's pretty good. That's normal. Because they'll move that much. And if you want to tighten things up, you can tighten things up. Just experiment. Practice with $1 on the laddering thing. Because like, it's not something that just happens overnight. It's kind of a trial and error thing. And then you realize that less is more. Because you might make less only putting quarter positions in. But when you do the math on adding all the stop losses you would have took on full positions, add that back into your account, plus what you made on the quarter or the half positions here and there and here and there, not taking any stops, it's actually way more. I think it's better, but to each their own. And if you want to do the tight stop loss game, you could just go on the 2 hour. Perfect. And it's about to close, 20 minutes. So you could go under this 2 hour candle low. That's a 3% risk on an alt. And we're already in profit. So you could tighten it up. You could go down to the 17 or whatever if you want. Yeah, I wouldn't go much tighter than that, but you could if you wanted to decrease your risk. It's up to you, right? I'm just showing you what I do. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. But for an experiment, and for an experiment, let's just leave this my way. Well, third way. My way, there's no red box. But more responsibly, let's leave that there like that. Now W, let's check out W. For the W, it's probably shady. Oh, Wick's wife, what up? This is a dance song too, Wick's wife. H bar in profit, Link in profit, Hardcoin in profit, Soul in profit, Soul short not in profit, drawdown 11%, adding to my short. Boom. Okay. Now, what's this? Boom, boom, boom. This is my bro in Edmonton. He's so good. Okay. They better not be striking me with copyrights on my bro's music that he said I could use. I'll snap. Put on some order blocks too, those hit hard. Or let's put on prime blocks, because then I can make it chart colors. Where is it? Prime blocks. Blocks? For value gaps? Imbalance volume? What's that? Oh, that's like fair value gap imbalance volume or something? Let's check it out. Profile background, liquidity zones. Oh, prime blocks right here. I can change this to 1, 2, 3. All I need is 1. There's 3 there. Save as default. Cool beans. Okay, so what's this imbalance volume? I don't see it. Check the 4-hour. What's this imbalance? Oh, maybe I gotta turn on fair value gaps to show the fair value gap imbalance volume. Hang on. Imbalance. Yeah. That's what it is. Thinking. Where are they? Let's see it. Maybe if we go like this. This has gotta be a little fair value gap right here. I don't like that. Why wouldn't it work? I'll figure this out. Enable fair value gap time frame. Imbalance POC. Fair value gap. Should be working. Weird. Talk to Chartin. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. KW, yeah, tiny candles. On the 8-hour too. Juicy. Previous day low. Didn't sweep the lows yet. Tiny candles, juicy. A flow's trying to tip up. Ooh, clipping on the 2-hour. And the true 7 is pointing up. So we might just be going for a double bear dip. Or a double bull dip, sorry. Yeah, that looks good. Looks good for long. Should we hit this too or what? Might sweep the lows though. That's why I hate putting stop losses below the lows. Because it's like, sometimes I'll just sweep the low and send it. That's why I like laddering in. But whatever, I'll just leave the setup box like that. That's why I want to post all the P&Ls afterwards in the Discord to show. Oh, Oh, drawdown, a little bit of drawdown on link and H bar. W. Here, let's dial in. Here, let's go in. WUSDT. Yep, that's it. Oh yeah, I'm taking it. Oh, I gotta put my leverage up a bit. 8x gang. 8x. Quarter position. Should do an eighth of position because it's never even heard of it. Made that mistake before. But it's for entertainment, so it's all good. Ooh, I forgot to set my orders. My other quarters. My quarter orders. Oh, did the playlist already end? Sweet, it didn't mess me up. What time is it? 8:45. Pulling back already. I'm just gonna set these orders. I'll set my exchange up to my computer so I can show you this too. 225. There. One there. That's good. Okay, make sure H bar. Set my quarters. My quarter orders. What size are these? Okay. Oops. Boom, boom, boom. 250, 250. 500. Get out of here. 500. Got another 250 there. There. Quarter orders. No link. Should have done this the first time. Whatever. Oh yeah, what's the order size? What? Do this. Come on. There we go. 15, 16, 17. And I'll throw my last quarter in between. So basically I put half before the stop loss, or at the stop loss, and then I put a quarter now and then a quarter halfway between the two. Basically. Like at the lows. Put a quarter now, quarter at the lows, and then a quarter just below. There. All set up. Pretty sure. Yep. Drawdown, drawdown, drawdown. Now if we sweep the weekend lows, it'll pick up my orders, and I'll catch the move. And if it continues to sweep the weekend highs, I'll take profit. Good times. Any other requests or what? Let's check out the chat. Edmonton sucks. Username, what up, bro? Username. Edmonton sucks. You don't like Edmonton, bro? Is it because the Oilers smashed your team too many times, or what? That's probably why. Shorts? I have a soul short open, but no. When all those oscillators are bottomed out like that, I have a short. I have a soul short, but I wouldn't. No. That I think it's gonna go up. So, and it already came down a bunch. Like all these coins, they already went up, and then they came down. So, like after it comes down a lot here, it went up. So now after it came down a lot here, I'm anticipating it to go up before it comes back down. Even if it doesn't take the weekend highs, if it does, like goes halfway and a little fake out and then lows and then back up, because it can do that too, right? It can do whatever it wants. But no, I just open those longs because remember we did the top-down analysis on all of this stuff, and if these candles were blue, And up here, these candles were inverted. So if they were blue, going up here and getting smaller, yeah, I would totally open shorts instead. But based on what I saw, and even on this RSI, on the 8 hour, it's a higher low. 4 hour, higher low, higher low. 2 hour, higher low, higher low. And we're at the bottom end of the oscillator. And usually they go to the top, to the bottom. Sometimes they hover at the bottom and then go up. But, so yeah. So if they hover at the bottom or sweep the lows, I'll just add to the position with my other 3/4 of my position size. So if your position size is 4% of your account, it'll just pick up my other 3%, and then it'll send it and go up to this end, and then back down for the same game all over again. That's what I do anyway. But I do have a soul short. I added to it just to keep it at a good average entry. Then if we get a good pullback, like let's look on the, let's check out soul real quick. USDTP. Let's look at soul on the 17 or on the 8-minute. Yeah, see, we could get a pullback. Plus it hit my take profit too, which is it's there for a reason, I'm sure. No, it is. That's why it's reacting off it probably. But so we might get a little pullback here soon. You can see back here. Kind of did the same thing. Candles, they went small, got a little pullback. Then they go up, get small, little pullback. And right now we're going up, and they're not getting small yet. But they're a little bit. So I added to my short in case it pulls back from here. It's not always like picture perfect. Right now my short's negative 1.3%. When I added to it, it was negative, I don't know, more. It was negative like 10 or like 5 or something. Rick's wife, what up? I bet you're wearing shorts and no socks, right? 85 miles per hour. That shit's funny. Yep. Alaska strong. Username? Yeah, you did make me happy, bro. You always make me happy. Love it. I love you guys, bro. Like, no Diddy, but... Why does it say, where are you? Why does Caliphant say, where are you? Can you not see this? Looks good here. It's shaded too. Oh, you deleted it probably. Okay. Florida. Yeah, Hawaii would be sick. I've been there once. It was awesome. I had a Dole pineapple plant ice cream. So good. I just want to try like MySpace in Neon Tokyo. Well, I'll tell you a story. Story time. Shout out to T.I. Joe. My chart looks like this because I lost so much when I first started on exchange and on TradingView, but more so on the exchange with the red and green candles. That I got like a PTSD, like anxiety vibe. Like I don't like seeing the red and green. It just I don't like it. It gets me shooketh. Gets me shooketh. So I changed mine to this blue and pink, light blue and pink, because I watch Frankie Candles too, right? I used to watch him more, but yeah, he's good. He's really good. Shout out to Frankie Candles, Candle Mafia. So I changed them. I like the colors. They chill me out. They always relaxed me, kept me chill, kept me cool. So I changed my candles to that because of that reason. And yeah, just keeps me more relaxed so I can make better decisions and stuff. How much time I got? 6 minutes, bro. Not enough time. We'll have to do that on Saturday's username. I try not to do that during the day, especially if I'm dropping setups that other people might take. Because I don't chart, think, trade, anything as good as I do straight. So I don't. I'll blaze before bed maybe. And on Saturday, Friday with like Keith and them drinking. And yeah. Yeah, Joe loves story time. My story and I'm sticking to it. But yeah. 5 minutes if anyone has a like last minute request or anything. And thanks everyone for showing up. I appreciate it. Really appreciate it. It's probably just gonna be us for a while. It's gonna take like 3 years worth of algo pumping to like spread this. That's why I'm going live 3 times a day, though, Sunday to Friday. So I can hit up all the corners of the world. I want to pump this up. I don't want to go. I want to do this forever, bro. My trading's going good. My charting, my setups, it's all going good. Like, I'm so close I can taste it. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna charge towards the finish line. You got stopped in profit? Nice. That's a win. That's a win. Protect your capital. That's awesome. I hear people like my buddy. Shout out to my buddy. You know who you are. Sometimes complain about, oh, I raised my stop too soon and I got stopped, break even and stuff. And it's like, well, you're supposed to take profit when you raise your stop to break even. Because you should be in profit enough to take some profit. Raise your stop to break even, and then you get stop break even, and even if it goes without you, bro, you got a little bit of money and didn't donate to the market. That's a win. That's a win, bro. So shout out to my bro. Don't worry about your break even stops. Just take profit before you raise your SL. And shout out to Kelly for rocking it and killing that trade. It's a win. Yeah, get after it. Thanks, AG. I am. Do my best. Do my best. No, not you. My buddy always complains about it. I've complained about it too, because I've done it so many times. Where I've took profits and then raised my stop, and then it like goes like this far. It'll like go like just like this far, and then phew! And I'm like, whoa, why didn't I just take some profit and leave my stop in the red? But on all those other days when it goes pew, I'm glad that I did it. So that's what counts, protecting your capital. And you can always re-enter if it's gonna go this high. How much opportunity is that? Look at it. You could re-enter here, you can re-enter here, you can re-enter here, you can re-enter here. Like, you can re-enter. Even if you take profit, get stopped out. You can always re-enter, man. If they're gonna keep sending it and you're that for sure about it, re-enter then. Right? And I'd rather make a little bit every day than and lose nothing, but make a little bit every day and rarely lose, then make a lot sometimes and lose a little bit every day, right? Because a little bit every day adds up. That's my thoughts on that type of trade management. 659. Share my indicators. Who? They're right here, bro. What indicators? Market Dynamics, Market Oracle Pro, Free Orb. Got Free Orb. Join the Discord, bro. It's free. All these indicators are in there. 3D Trend. MA Ribbon. MA Ribbon's good. I'm gonna drop a MA video. MAs I use. Then supply and demand. Oh, this is a new one. Supply and demand by Lux Algo. It's basically just shows you the range, but it adjusts to the time frame you're on and how much chart you have on your screen. See? See? Supply, or no, yeah, supply, demand. Pretty sure that's how it goes, right? And then if you make it small, or if you zoom in, it adjusts and it gets tighter. And look, matches the setup box. Imagine that. We're on the right track. We're on the right track. So that's cool. And we're holding above this money flow POC. It's only on the 8-minute though. Let's see what the 17-minute is. Oh, 7 o'clock. I gotta go. I think T.I. Joe's going live. If not, he's going live tomorrow. So I'm just gonna stay in the habit of dipping. Thanks for coming, everyone. I appreciate all of you. Have a good night, and I'll see you all at T.I. Joe's and Lunar Beaches Crypto, and I'll message you guys about modding and stuff. If you're gonna, yeah, 11 people, damn good start. Smash the like, sub, all that stuff, or don't. I'll see you around.